Welcome to the Writing Center's Crash Course in Scholarly Writing. Crash Course videos are a great fit if you are new to scholarly writing or returning after a long absence. In this 4-minute video, we'll review the 4 areas of scholarly writing you need to know to succeed in your writing at Walden. The 4 areas of scholarly writing include argument, evidence, paragraphs, and voice. We'll give you quick tips and introduce you to terms in each of these areas, but we won't be talking about them in depth. Remember, this is a crash course. Instead, get out a pen and paper. If you're not familiar with one of these areas, a tip we give, or a term we use, will help you by displaying key terms in bold. Write it down so you can look it up later. At the end of the video, we'll show you where to find more information on our website. Let's get started. Argument is essential to scholarly writing and, in fact, most scholarly writing is required to have an argument. Argument means that you should develop a perspective on a topic, showing something about a topic in your writing. Your argument is represented by your thesis statement. Finally, it's also important that your argument be evidence-based, not based on opinion or just your personal experience. This leads us into our second area of scholarly writing, evidence. In your scholarly writing, all ideas are evidence-based, but more than that, the evidence you use should be from scholarly sources, is often peer-reviewed, and can be found in the Walden Library. Additionally, you should either paraphrase or quote these sources per APA, the standard citation style at Walden. Our third area of scholarly writing is paragraphs, because you need to organize the ideas you include in your writing. Your paper should always start with an introduction paragraph that introduces your paper's topic and includes your thesis statement. The body of your paper is then created with fully developed paragraphs that support and explore the thesis statement with both evidence and analysis. One way of thinking about body paragraphs is through the meal plan. Finally, every paper should end with a conclusion paragraph, which recaps your paper's main points. The last area of scholarly writing is voice, which you need to adjust in consideration of your audience. In scholarly writing, you're writing for a more general and academic audience than you would be at work, and you're writing for a more formal audience than you might be for a friend, so we need to use more formal word choice and tone, objective phrasing, and concise but not repetitive sentence structure. Now you've learned the 4 areas of scholarly writing. Next, search our website for any of these scholarly writing areas, quick tips, or terms we discussed that you wrote down. Use the search box at the top right corner, the quick answers box, or the main menus to find more information and begin learning.